Hey guys, welcome back to GamingSweeties. Today I'll be showing you some tips for making decals for all of your outfits in Robloxian Highschool. We'll be using Blender, so if you don't have that already, go to the link in the description and download it. Another thing we'll need for this video is the Chrome extension BT Roblox. The link to that will be in the description as well. For the first section of this tutorial, we will be going over Roblox hats. Later in the video, we will go over Roblox clothing items and how to easily retexture those. Go to the Roblox catalog and search for the hat you want to retexture. For this tutorial, I will use the hat Huge Sphere. Once you've picked up the hat you want, click the Explorer icon right here. A menu will pop down that's similar to the Explorer in Roblox Studio. Click the Special Mesh and click the link in the box mesh ID. It'll send you to the model used for the hat. Click the download button and download it as a .obj file. For the hat's texture, go to the Explorer pop-up once again and click the special mesh. And click the link in the box labeled texture ID. That'll send you to the texture that the hat uses. Download that and then open Blender. The things we need to do in Blender are fairly simple. Delete the default cube and go to the File tab up in the top left corner. Go down to Import and click Wavefront. Go to the folder the download model was put in and select the file and click the blue button Import OBJ. Go to the Shading tab at the top and click on your model. Open up File Explorer and select the texture for the hat you've downloaded. Drag the yellow color line to the base color and boom, the texture has been applied to the model. Go to the top and click Texture Paint. Now you can draw on the model and the texture and actively see the edits on the texture, as you can see right here. This is cool if you directly want to draw like a smiley face and then import it onto a hat. Now, if you want to paste an image onto the model, first download the image you want to put onto the model. And on the right hand side of the screen, you'll see a sidebar with a bunch of icons of text. Click the checkerboard icon and click the button New. Click the Open button and locate the file texture you just downloaded. Go to the top button, which is a toolbox, and scroll down to Texture. There you want to click on Mapping and select Stencil. Then if you hover the cursor over the model or texture part, you'll see the image. You could drag the image and apply it onto the model. Just draw on the image using the white color. Okay. Using the black color makes the texture solid black, as you can see here. To save the decal you've made, go to Image and select Save As and save it under whatever name you want to give it. From there, you can go to the Creator Dashboard, the Create tab, and upload the decal normally. So that's how you texture Roblox hats. In order to retexture Roblox clothing items, first find the item you want to texture. So I'm just going to click some random clothing item. Knit sweater. Then click Explorer. And then click Handle. Then click the link in the Mesh ID box. There you can download the model for the clothing item. Download that as an OBJ. If you want the texture for the item, go back to the Explorer and click Surface Appearance. Then click the link in the box that's labeled Color Map. That's the actual texture that displays on the item in-game. The rest are all materials and effects applied to it. Then, after those steps, you can texture it like any other hat in Blender. It's really that simple. Thanks for watching. If you would like to see more tutorials from me, like this video and comment on what you would like to see from me in the future. Have a good day.